Lion. It is the second largest living cat after the tiger. Wild lions currently exist in sub-Saharan Africa and in Asia. It is known as the king of the forest. There are records of lionesses living for up to 20 years in the wild. In captivity, both male and female lions can live for over 20 years. The lion will live in a den and have a royal mane. Octopus. Octopuses are highly intelligent, probably the most intelligent invertebrates. It has 8 arms around its body called tentacles. An octopus has a hard beak with its mouth at the center point of the arms. Octopuses are bilaterally symmetrical with 2 eyes and 4 pairs of arms. Octopuses have a relatively short life expectancy. Kangaroo. Kangaroo is the national animal of Australia and it can be found in large numbers. Kangaroos have large, powerful hind legs, large feet adapted for leaping, a long muscular tail for balance, and a small head. The kangaroo can carry its baby in a pouch attached to its body. The average life expectancy of a kangaroo is about 4 to 6 years. Camel. The camel can be found mostly in the desert regions. This animal is commonly called as the ship of the desert. The average life expectancy of a camel is 40 to 50 years. A fully grown adult camel stands 1.85 meters at the shoulder and 2.15 meters at the hump. The hump rises about 30 inches out of its body. Camels can run up to 65 kilometers per hour in short bursts and sustain speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Children love to ride on a camel. Lizards. Lizards are a large and widespread group of reptiles with nearly 5,000 species ranging across all continents except Antarctica as well as most oceanic island chains. Lizards typically have 4 limbs and external ears. It can be found mostly on the walls of all houses. When it breaks its tail, it grows again. Cockroach. Cockroaches are insects and there are about 4,000 species of cockroaches. Among the best known pest species are the American cockroach, which is about 30 millimeters long, the German cockroach 15 millimeters long, the Asian cockroach about 15 millimeters in length, and the Oriental cockroach about 25 millimeters. This will live in all houses, but this is not a pet. This will be considered as a dirty insect. Cheetah. The cheetah is a typical member of the cat family that is unique in its speed while lacking climbing abilities. It is the fastest land animal reaching speeds between 112 and 120 kilometers per hour in short bursts covering distances up to 460 meters. It has the ability to accelerate from 0 to 110 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds. The cheetah is a carnivore, eating mostly mammals under 40 kilograms.